Are you ready to turn your hidden talents into a paycheck? Whether you're a Photoshop wizard, a voiceover artist, or the undisputed meme king or queen, Fiverr is calling your name. Fiverr isn't just a freelancing platform, it's a goldmine for creators, problem solvers, and hustlers. Today, I'll show you how to make money on Fiverr, whether you're a seasoned pro or just figuring out what you can offer. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on earning strategies that'll make your wallet smile. Let's get started. What is Fiverr? First things first, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace where you can sell services starting at $5, hence the name. But don't let that fool you. Many sellers earn way more per gig, even thousands. From graphic design to pet psychic readings, yes, that's a thing. Fiverr is packed with opportunities. It's like a talent show where everyone's a winner, if they play their cards right. How to start making money on Fiverr. Step 1. Find your gig. What can you do better than most people? Design logos. Write compelling blogs. Sing happy birthday in a SpongeBob voice. Fiverr thrives on creativity, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Browse Fiverr to see what's trending and identify where your skills fit in. If there's demand for it, you can sell it. Step 2. Create a killer profile. Your Fiverr profile is your storefront. Make it stand out. Use a professional photo or logo and write a bio that screams, "I'm the solution to your problem." For example, "Hi, I'm Alex, a graphic designer with 5 years of experience turning ideas into visuals that wow. Let's create something amazing together." Don't forget to add your portfolio, if you have one. Nothing builds trust like showcasing your past work. Step 3. Optimize your gig listings. Each service you offer is called a gig. Make your gigs irresistible by crafting attention-grabbing titles like, "I will design a stunning logo that turns heads." Use detailed descriptions to explain what you offer and why it's worth the price. Include a short video introduction if possible. Gigs with videos get 200% more clicks. Step 4. Set competitive pricing. Fiverr allows you to offer multiple packages, from basic to premium. Start with affordable rates to attract your first clients. Then raise your prices as your reputation grows. For example, basic, $10 for a simple logo design. Standard, $30 for 2 logo concepts with revisions. Premium, $75 for a full branding kit. Step 5. Deliver stellar work, the secret sauce to Fiverr success. Happy clients. Always deliver high-quality work on time. Communicate clearly and go the extra mile. Satisfied clients leave glowing reviews, and those reviews are gold. Step 6. Promote your gigs. Don't just rely on Fiverr's traffic. Promote your gigs on social media, LinkedIn, or even niche forums. The more eyeballs on your profile, the higher your chances of landing gigs. Smart tips for Fiverr success: niche down. Don't try to do everything. Focus on 1 or 2 skills and dominate those categories. Use keywords. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions with keywords to rank higher in searches. Upsell. Offer add-ons like faster delivery or extra revisions for an additional fee. Stay active. Respond quickly to messages to boost your profile in Fiverr's algorithm. Experiment. Test different gigs and adjust your pricing to see what works best. And there you have it, your crash course on making money with Fiverr. Whether you're side hustling or looking for a full-time gig, Fiverr can be your ticket to extra cash or even financial freedom. So what's your first gig going to be? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun ways to earn online. Now go turn your talents into dollars, Fiverr style.